How about that? I don't know why my settings changed. Now can you hear me? Oh shit, SanDisk is falling. I'm all out. Fucking markets. Okay, good. So you can hear me now? Bueller? Bueller? Well, I was talking for like 5 minutes. That's so funny. Yeah, so my mic setting in OBS was not correct. I haven't done this in a while. So, are you guys in anything? And I gotta sell some NVDL. I'm too heavy. It's not going up like I need it to. And the TQ is still looking pretty good, I would say. Let me clear all my lines here. Draw a line right there. That is looking pretty good. There's echo, okay. How do I get rid of echo? Oh, there's an echo. Okay, let's try this. That's all the way. Now I've turned a button on my mics and echo all the way the other opposite direction. Is that better? Or maybe I need to turn off my desktop sound. I think that's what the problem is. Okay. Okay, I put the echo button back the way it was and I turned my desktop audio off. And there goes the TQ. Better? Okay. NVIDIA, not bad. SanDisk. Yeah, there goes SanDisk. Get back in it. Back in SanDisk. TQ's going. Okay, are you guys in anything? See anything? Like anything? AMD just triggered on my alerts. I guess you can't see that, can you? So that's going higher. AMD. What else is moving? Also in NVDL. Oh, that's good. NVDL is kind of hard to trade, isn't it? It's kind of choppy and like, obviously it's not as clear as in NVIDIA. But when it moves, it moves pretty good. I gotta peel some. Now can you hear my order entries that I've turned off the desktop sound? I get all out of that one and this one. Meta? Oh yeah. I'm stuck in the meta. I made $5 grand today from an overnight. I was holding it overnight. Stop. So I need it to pop up at the close and you need it to go down. One of us will, or we can both be right. It's no big deal. Amazon, I should probably get out. No. Whoa, that was close. Just maybe reduce some, but I still like Amazon. SNDK. It's holding up pretty good. How about the Qs now? Holding be a good entry. We'll set an alert right above this candle here. And what about SNDK? I don't know. It's got to be getting tired. Tesla's popping up. It's a Friday rally. What do you know? Who knew? Just got an alert for NVIDIA. Let's check NVIDIA. Yep, it's flagging. So get back into NVIDIA. I need a bigger button. We want a short Meta. I guess you could. Yeah. Damn it. This indicator is going higher. Right at the highs here. Let's join the ride. Man. Get on the bus. Man. CBRS. Up 7%. Whoa. SE's doing really good too. I used to trade this one. Not anymore, I don't. How did Circle do today? That was popping this morning. I think a lot of people tried to take this at 9:30, and all it does is fall. What about Sky H? Oh, this thing's open. Sky Hynix. Sky Hynix. Looks like it was halted. 174, 175. Should we trade this one? Rocket Lab, I tried to short this morning. Shorting is difficult. I tried shorting, well, that's Hood. I did short SpaceX. 260 bucks. Waste of time, really. trying to short these things. The only good shorts are really on a bad red day where everything's just falling. Otherwise, it's super hard to short. Oh, really? Why is everybody bearish on the market? Just the war and all of the volatility, maybe? I mean, I was looking at a lot of charts today, which I don't always do, but I looked through probably a couple hundred charts, and a lot of stocks are going the opposite way of up. In other words, they don't look very good. A lot of companies. Well, here's me. These trades are not working right now. Maybe I need to reduce my size and back off a little bit. I've made some good money today, and I do not want to get stuck in these. I don't mind holding Amazon, and I don't mind holding Meta, and I don't mind holding AMD. Oh, there goes SanDisk. And I don't want to hold Nvidia though. Oh, I got up way too early this morning. I couldn't sleep. 4 a.m. Just setting an alert on the TQ if it goes lower. Then I'd probably get out of everything. I don't know why. Happen. As soon as I wake up, then I start thinking about things and I'm done for. Okay, I'm gonna get out of this. No, get out. I'll reduce my size. Pretty small now. And SanDisk is probably not gonna work either. So that puts me out of that. I'm gonna get out of Amazon too. I think I'm done for the day. I know if I keep going, I'll just get chopped up. Okay. All the time, I'm loaded right now. Sometimes it works, like Meta. Sometimes it doesn't. It gets worse and worse and worse until I eventually have to sell it, for a bigger loss. But that's okay. Is it scary? No. It's just money. And, easy come, easy go. If I lose it, then I'll just have to work harder to make it back, which is what I'm doing. I mean, I try, but I'm not perfect at all. I make a ton of mistakes and I don't stop out when I should and lose a million here. Well, that's not normal. But yeah, no, it's not scary for me. I'm pretty used to it. Okay, I think I'm gonna get back in. Hey, Simon. Like what? Like these? These are just flags, basically. So I just jumped back into SanDisk. Um, these ones? Is that what you mean, Simon? All those lines mean don't trade that piece of junk anymore because it's not worth it. That's all it means. So I'm gonna move this one to here. It's flagging again. Yes, the undisputed waffle setup. There used to be a video game, I forget the name of it now, but it would spin lines like this, and you'd have to spin the dial and I forget, just shoot everything. I'll find it. What about NVIDIA? I do those ones. Those are very important to me because, like, okay, let me go back to NVIDIA. These are all what I call flags. I don't know if that's 100% correct or whatever. It doesn't matter to me. But every time on a positive day like today, and a trending stock like NVIDIA and a bullish stock like NVIDIA, every time it dips, I call that a flag. So there's a flag, there's a flag, there's a flag, there's a flag. So now I can buy if I wanted to. Then I'd set an alert right here. And if it triggers, then I'll get back in and then I'll go up to the next level. And also, if you are in the trade already, then you can add shares on your flags. So you can add here, you can add here, add here. This one's not really good. So that's what I mean by those. Does that make sense, Simon? Let me find that game. Uh, Video game with linear lines from the 90s. What is that called? Yeah, no problem. Oh, Tempest. That's what it's called. Yeah, I'll show you in a second. Well, I can't share my screen or anything. Anyways, the game's called Tempest. Look it up if you want. So if you're shorting, which I don't recommend, like SpaceX, then it's the opposite. So you could short right here, and you can add. Let me do this. You can add right here, and you can short right here. You can add right here, and then it gets messy here. Something like that, I guess. SanDisk is going. NVIDIA, I don't know. AMD flagging. Oh, I should take profit on NVIDIA. I mean, SanDisk. Yeah, no problem. And you know what? I don't always get to do what I say. Like, um, if I was able to buy here on these flags, I'd probably do a lot better. But often I buy the tops. So, um, if you can spot these lows and get in on these lows, then I think you'd do better. So I'm just going to try Sky Hynix. I need a nickname for that. Sky Hynix. How about Skinks? Yeah, Skinks. No, I don't like that. Skinix. How about Skrillex? Skrillex. That doesn't make sense at all. We were on the boat the other day. My son said, "Can you play Skrillex?" Reminds me of when we were younger when I used to play Skrillex all the time. Selden. Partial out of SanDisk. How about Skyjinx? Oh shit. I was already losing money on it. What a piece of junk. Okay, Meta. Nope, Meta's done. It'll probably rally this afternoon though. I don't know if I have patience to wait around. I need to reduce some of this sound disc. Bangarang? What's Bangarang? Is that a band? Oh, Skrillex. I like Prof too. This is Prof. I don't know, can you guys hear my music? Tesla's trying. Anyways. I like to listen to music when I trade, that's for sure. So, SanDisk. Sky Jinx. Come on, do something, man. Is there any volume in this thing? Let's see. I don't know. It's probably a dud. No. Oppo, Nvidia. Still flagging. TQ's going higher. It's pretty good. Usually it tanks by now. Skyjinx going lower. I'll get out, reduce some of my size there. And set an alert for SanDisk on the higher and lower. I usually am long, Simon, yes. As I mentioned, I did short SpaceX today and Rocket Lab. They seem to be trending down, trending lower, but it's also very difficult. Like, yep. But normally, yes, I would go long because the market is bullish and has been for a long time, and everything's going up. Well, the leaders are going up, so I would totally trade with the market. Okay, I'm gonna get out of Skyjinx, not a piece of junk. Oil, I don't trade oil at all. I don't follow it, don't know it. I know our gas prices change all the time. That's about it. Why do you trade oil? Okay. I think the market is stalling right now, obviously. Oh, okay. What do you trade for oil? Like a stock symbol, an ETF, or what? No, what about Netflix? Junk. Yeah, TQ's falling now. So I just got an alert on the TQ. Looks like it's heading a bit lower. So I'm going to get a SanDisk, and that's enough chop for me, so I'm all done. Oh, futures? I don't know how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to get on with my day and get on with my weekend. So I hope you guys traded well. I'm up 23K, which is amazing. And even though I made some mistakes, I lost 5 grand on a small cap, which is super stupid. I lost 600 on Sky Jizz or Sky whatever it is. Sky Jizz. Sky. What the fuck's it called? Oh, Sky Jinx. Sky Jinx. And I'm not going to trade that one again. And I lost 300 on Amazon. All the other ones were winners. Looks like SMCI is going up. Not that I'm going to trade it. I'm not going to trade it. SanDisk just triggered. And it's going lower. Where's SMCI? Oh, right here. Look on a 30-minute. Okay, guys, thanks for hanging out for the short time. Appreciate it. Over and out. Thank you. Thanks. For sure, I'll try and do it a bit more when I can, when I think of it. I don't